you how to form the basic low angle grip. This is the grip I use when the tool is coming in low to the wood, as opposed to it coming more vertically to the wood, which I call the high angle grip, and I'll show you later in the series. The grip is formed by one hand holding the tool somewhere around the blade and across the ferrule here. The thumb goes on the handle, and this increases the amount of control that this hand has on the tool. This blade hand rests on the wood or the bench or something so that it allows you to control the tool all the time. The second hand, your handle hand, just grips it comfortably somewhere, whatever seems appropriate at the time. Keep your elbows in for this grip. So, take a V-tool and a reasonably flat, clean piece of carving wood for your exercise. Place the tool down with the blade hand on the wood, thumb on the handle. Okay, keep the rear hand in and push with the rear hand. Now the secret of this grip is that as the rear hand pushes, the front hand, the blade hand, resists. And it's a balance between the two that enables you to start and stop and control the tool where you want to go. So, take the tool, run a simple cut, beginning, middle and end, and try and copy that to the side. So just simply make straightforward, light cuts with your V-tool. And when you're ready, swap hands, try it the other way around. But we'll deal with that more in the next video. So there you have it. Basic low angle grip, front hand resisting, rear hand pushing, front hand on the wood, and between the two controlling the tool as it comes in low to the wood.